All right, here we go. We got the unboxing today for the TRX TRX4 Defender. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah. So here's the stuff on the box. Get all this stuff. Boom. Yeah. Then that's fancy there's all that stuff there, and there's that stuff there, and there's this stuff over here. Over here on the end. See, so we get the old unboxing now here. Boom. Little dark day. I don't know what's on it. Let's see. Just like that, slice right open, dude. Oh yeah. Action going over here. Let's go take that out of there. Very nice. Menu set. So we get that. Oh look. There's a truck up in there. Big truck up in there. Oh yeah. Pamphlets. Stuff. Put some stuff up in there. Stickers. Oh yeah. Fancy. So let's get no, nothing. So that's pretty simple. Simple unboxing here. We got plastic. Oh yeah. There we go. So we get that. Now this is. So here we go, we got the old Titan 21T motor. Got a fake winch on there. Guess you can get a real one. It was a little stiff, we shall see though. But yeah, it's pretty fancy. Look at this. It's this little thing on there. Attention, easy set XL5 operating modes, profiles. Oh, easy set. So you can program this ESC. Alright, so let's get this thing. Pretty nice body. Rugged. Yeah, so video of the first use will be coming soon. I got the battery charging right now, so let's just get this thing put up on there. A little bit like that. Somehow it goes on there, but yeah. Unpeel that, there we go. Peel that off in there. Woohoo! Alright, sweet.